So you might be in a situation where you're finding out that your battery health on your iPhone is decreasing very, very fast, and you might be trying to figure out how to fix this. And the way you can kind of tell this is, let's say you have a newer iPhone or a brand new iPhone or whatever. I would typically say battery degradation of like 1 to like 3% is usually normal every year. It can also go down to like 5% in a year depending on your usage. But if it's going down like 1% every month or every other month, then that's kind of a big deal. The way to tell this is to go and open up your settings of your iPhone, click on battery, which is right here. Go and click on battery health and charging, which is right here. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and see where this 100% battery life is, or battery health. You want to go and take note of it and come back every once in a while and just see what battery health is, eventually like maybe a couple months or a year or two from now. If you've had this iPhone for a year or two and you're already at like 90 something percent, the main thing you want to do is check the temperatures in which you're leaving your iPhone. If you're leaving your iPhone in very cold climates or very, very hot climates all the time, that is going to degrade your iPhone battery life and health like crazy. So keep your iPhone in very cool conditions. That's a pretty big thing you can probably do, or like room temperature. That's a very, very important thing you can try doing. On top of that, with your specific device, you may just also want to double check your software updates. Sometimes if you're not updating your iPhone for a long period of time, your battery calibration can also be a little off. So go and make your way over to your general settings of your iPhone, click on software update, and what you're going to want to do is just install the latest update. If there is an update available for your iPhone, go ahead and install it, and that can be another thing you can do to basically address and fix this problem. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing for the most part is double checking your specific iPhone, meaning you want to make sure you're not going through and charging this iPhone all the time, wireless charging or anything like that too. If you're constantly wirelessly charging your device, that can also degrade the battery because wireless chargers get very, very hot. That's another thing you may want to try looking at as well. But those are pretty much the main things you can do. If you're playing very intensive, like very games that just heat up your phone a lot, that can also cause a lot of effects too. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.